Hey, good afternoon guys. My name is Mason Walker, your host here at Massey Hyundai. Today I'll be showing you guys how to use your Hyundai Smart Liftgate. Alright guys, so first things first is you're going to need to activate it because it is deactivated while shipping for safety reasons. So if you swipe right here and go to setup and go into your vehicle setup, hit your doors and you scroll down right here, your Smart Liftgate will be deactivated. You'll need to hit that button and that's how you know it's activated. Alright guys, so our Hyundai Smart Liftgate is now activated. As we approach the vehicle towards the rear, it will automatically beep at us, and in a couple seconds it'll go ahead and open. Alright, and for our shorter customers, if this height is a little too high, you can actually pull this down and hold this button right here for about 3 seconds. It will go ahead and beep at you. And that is your new adjusted close height and open height. So go ahead and show you guys that one more time. Go ahead and open this up and it's set right to your adjusted height.